Welcome to another episode of the Back Patio Tech series. If you have this, you may want to consider this. This is Eric of Unconventional Love, so let's get started. If you have this, which is a 2018 ANAFI drone, you may want to consider this. Hey, we need your help, folks. We're on the hunt for a budget-friendly drone to replace our trusted ANAFI. It's got to have a killer camera and dodges objects like a ninja. Got any ideas? Leave them in the comments and stay tuned for the grand reveal. So let's recap. Since we have this, now you help us choose the next. Thanks for tuning in and namaste.